Hello and welcome to Knowledge for Joy. Today we will have discussion on four concepts. These concepts are depreciation of currency, devaluation of currency, appreciation of currency, and revaluation of currency. We will discuss these topics in its most easy and simple way. So now let us start. First, depreciation. The meaning of the word depreciation is its value has been reduced over the period of time. Now say in 1950 $1 was equals to 40 rupees. Now $1 is equal to 70 rupees. That means over this period of time the value of rupees has been reduced. Meaning if you go to international market to purchase $1, you have to pay now 70 rupees, where earlier it was 40 rupees. That is, foreign exchange rate has increased. This is called depreciation of currency. Now move to devaluation of currency and take same example. In 1950 $1 was equals to 40 rupees. Now it is 70 rupees, and over the period the value of rupees has been reduced. That means foreign exchange rate has increased, and this is called devaluation of currency. Now you find these are quite similar, but there are differences in its process. Fundamentally they are different. What is the difference? The difference is in depreciation of currency, it happens by demand and supply prevailing in the market. Market itself determines it. Whereas in devaluation, it happens by a government policy. Government formulate policy to devaluate currency. Got it? So these are the difference between depreciation of currency and devaluation currency. Now move to appreciation of currency. Say in 1950 $1 equals to 40 rupees. Now it is 20 rupees. That means over the period of time value of rupees has increased. Meaning if you go to international market to purchase $1, you have to pay less now. That is, foreign exchange rate has decreased. This is called appreciation of currency. And now look at revaluation of currency. If we take same examples, same thing happens, same consequences. Over the period of time value of rupees has increased, foreign exchange rate has decreased. So quite similar to that of appreciation of currency. Again there are differences, and difference is that in appreciation market itself determine it. Demand and supply prevalent in the market automatically determine appreciation, whereas in revaluation of currency government intervention is required. Government itself by virtue of making some policy revaluate the currency, and this is the difference. So you find there are market intervention and there are government policy formulation. These are responsible for the terms depreciation and appreciation and devaluation and revaluation respectively. So I think you have got the concept about this, and if you find it useful, please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.